Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to pinch grab a T. Give me a second here so I can get you a better view on it. It's a little cloudy, but this is how you do it. Okay, just let them know that you're there. And you want to pinch between the second and third legs with your index and thumb. Just make sure you don't do it on carpet, because you pinch and you pick up the T. Now, this way he can't kick hairs at you, and you're perfectly safe, not able to bite you or anything. So when putting him down, just let him hit the ground. Move yourself away. And you can also use your thumb and your middle finger and put your index finger on their carpus, and that works with faster or like pokies.